Hey going guys, Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm working on this scope caravan behind me. Now you would have seen in the last video where we've removed the front and rebuilt and put it all back together. Now after we took the sheeting on the rear of the vehicle off, we've found the exact same thing. So we've got a lot of water ingress that's come from the extrusions not being sealed correctly. One thing to always make sure when you've got a caravan to check these things, that way this doesn't happen. But you'll see in another video where we actually remove this entire rear wall, rebuild it and reassemble it all back together.